Hello everyone, I'm Aradhna Soni, Assistant Professor of State University Bhopal. Today I'm going to teach basic electrical and electronics and the fundamental of electrical machine. So now what is DC machine? So DC machine is the machine. It can work in the two types mainly. First is motor, second is generator. And most of the DC machine are equivalent to AC machine because they include AC current as well as AC voltage in them. And the output of DC machine is DC output because they convert AC voltage to DC voltage, and the conversion of this mechanism is known as commutator. And if you talk about the DC commutating section, so these machines are also named as commutating machine. DC machine is most frequently used for motor, and the main benefit of this machine include large torque regulation as well as easy speed. And application of DC machine are used in train, mills and mines, for example underground subway cars as well as trolley, and utilize DC motors and automobiles and charging of their batteries. And the firstly, and what is the DC machine and the what the working or principle of the DC machine? So DC machine is the working principle and work on the electromechanical energy alternation device. The working principle of DC machine is when electric current flows through a coil within a magnetic field and the magnetic force generates a torque then rotates the DC motor. The DC machine are classified in the two types such as DC generator and the DC motor. And this is the DC machine's principle and working. And after that, and this is picture of DC motor and the parts and some function of a DC generator. If you want to DC machine work on the generator, so it's convert mechanical power to electrical power, and if you want to machine work like a motor, so its energy uh, convert electrical power to mechanical power. And the DC motor is applicable from boot speed regulation and sample range of its speeds like an electrical traction system. And the construction of DC machine, this the many parts of construction of here in DC machine. First is yoke, pole, core, pole shoes, pole coil, filled coil, armature core, armature winding, and the conductor, commutator, brush, bearing, and some parts of DC machine. Here the construction of the here the diagram of construction of DC machine. So some components of here. This is the stationary parts, and the mid parts of is known as rotary part, and the frame or yoke is a stationary part. Field dividing is a stationary part. Pole. Shoes and pole core is also a stationary part, and commutator starter and armature conductor is the rotating part. And here the some explanation of each components of, for example, is yoke. So yoke is the frame, and the function of yoke is the machine to offer mechanical support is known as the yoke from the entire protection from the machine from moisture, dust, etc. And this material is used for design cast iron and cast steel. If you talk about the pole, so pour coal and pour source. So pole core is the DC machine of electromagnet, and the field winding is among the pole. So field winding is energized, then the pole gives the magnetic flux, and this pole is made up of cast steel. And move forward, pole shoe. Pole shoe of DC machine is extensive part of the enlarged to the region of the pole, because if the region flux can be spread out between the air gap, as well as extra flux can be passes through the air space toward the armature. And these pole shoes is made up of some annulled steel lamination and some cast iron materials. And if you talk about the field winding, so field winding is the uh, wound in the region of pole core, as name as field winding. And whenever current is supplied through the field winding, then the electromagnetics, the pole which generate required flux, is the material used for this field winding is copper. And now the armature core. So armature core is include huge number of slots within its edge, and this armature conductor is located in these slots is provide low reluctance path toward the flux generated and field winding. And this material, the armature core material is used to the permeability low reluctance material like iron and cast. And if you talk about the armature winding, so armature winding can be format as interconnecting the armature conductor whenever the an armature winding is turned with the help of prime mover when the voltage as well as magnetic flux. And commutator is a DC machine in to collect the current from the armature conductor as well as supply to the current. And these commutators are made up of some hard ground copper and some segments of mica layer. And if you talk about the brushes, so brushes of DC machine is the greater the current from the commutator and supply. And these brushes made up of material used in brushes graphite carbon and which is the rectangle form. And the types of DC machine, so three types of four types of DC machine is used. First is separately excited DC machine, shunt wound shunt machine, series wound series machine, compound wound compound machine. Separately excited DC machine is separate DC source utilized for activating the field coil. Shunt wound DC machine is field coil are aligned in parallel through the armature. And the series wound of DC machine, the field coil are aligned in a series and the armature. And the compound wound machine includes both the series as well as shunt field. And this is the picture of the rotor or starter portion. This is the starter and this is the rotor section. And this is the pole NS. This the commutator, and this is the parts of DC machine: yoke, stand of legs, armature winding, field winding, shaft, pole shoe and pole. And this is the construction of armature, and this is a complete DC motor, and this is the complete DC generator. So this whole process is known as the DC machine, and the many parts of construction and many types of methods used. And thank you for watching my video of DC machine.